Hey guys, it's me, Christina Marie. I purchased online a bunch of these different liquid eyeshadows by Wet n Wild. These are only $5 each. So I'm like, I might as well try them all out because I pay about $25 to get one Stila eyeshadow, which don't get me wrong, Stila is the best on the market. Absolutely stunning, but $5, what if they're as good? I might as well try them out. So I do want to FYI you guys, I just did a rant on these two green colors because one is a mermaid color and one is the regular collection color, and they are the same freaking color. So I will post that video down below. I feel like I was ripped off right here, but let's go ahead and just jump into the swatches. So the first color that we have here is called When Stars Align, and this to me looked like a purple. Let me go ahead and just swatch it here. Like a black or burgundy, look at that, burgundy dark purple. Isn't that just like delicious, yummy? The next one we have here is called Mysterious Nights, and this looks like a silver gray. I thought this would make for the most beautiful, beautiful smoky eye. You see this? When it hits the light. Where's that gold? When it hits the light, isn't that just like stunning? It's like a black, and I guess you could say black gray because when it hits that light, you see the metallic, which makes it look a little bit lighter. The next one is this gorgeous, gorgeous blue, which is called Cosmic Teal. Look at this. Isn't that just gorgeous, gorgeous? Now, do they go on a little patchy? Yeah, you can see it in my eye. This is after a few coats. They go on a little patchy. You do have to work with them. The next color is this beautiful purple called Nicotophilia, if I'm saying that right. It is this gorgeous, gorgeous color. It's purple. Look at this. You guys see the purple? So this is a lighter purple. And the last one, which this is emerald green and Laura's necklace. Now this is the reason I got a little bit upset, because I'm gonna put emerald green right here. And then I'm gonna put the other shade right next to it. And you guys tell me, does it look identical? Now, that is the same freaking color. Still a pretty color. A tad bit hard to work with because they want to kind of like chunk up. So it is a tad bit hard. Now, does it save you money? Yes, it does save you money. Is it the best formula out there? No. And this is a prime example why I tell you it's not the best formula. So the top one's already starting to dry down, but you can see, like, if this was my eye, so I blink and my skin is tight, then I come back and my skin looks like it's wrinkled. It kind of accentuates the wrinkles a tad bit. And then once you've actually moved your eye so many times like that, it actually starts to like chunk up. Like you can see right there in this corner right here. You see the chunk and how it starts just to like collect. So they are very pretty colors. If you are on a very tight budget, I would go this route. Actually, if you're on a very tight budget, but you can spare $5 more, I would go get the Milani. I know this says a lip topper, but it is identical to the Stila liquid eyeshadows. Let me just kind of swatch it right here. You guys see this? So in camera, it doesn't give you like, it's hard to tell, but it has a like nice pink glitter. These lip toppers are absolutely amazing. These are $11 though, versus the liquid eyeshadows by Wet n Wild are $5. And then of course you have the top of the line that beats absolutely everyone on the market, which would be the Stila right there. And that is in Diamond Dust. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this review, and tell me what you guys think. Would you be mad if you bought two of the same color thinking they were two different colors? Anyways, I'm going to stop it with my rant. You guys let me know down below what you thought of the video. And please give this video a thumbs up. Hit the little subscribe button and the tiny little bell next to it for notifications of new videos. I'm Christina Marie. I'm out. Bye.